Hello, Varshita madam.
Hello.
Check your audio and video and then present, and we will start at 10:15.
Ma'am, I'm audible.
You're audible, yes.
Ma'am, is my screen is visible?
Your screen is not yet visible.
Now, ma'am, it's visible?
Yes, now it is visible.
Okay, ma'am, done.
And the students will not be in the Google Meet, they'll be in YouTube Live. In the last hour of the session, we will allow the students to enter the Google Meet so that they can clear their doubts, or we'll have a question and answer session in the last hour of the session.
Yes, ma'am.
We'll start at
Starting
10:15.
no students will be there, right, ma'am?
In Google Meet, only the technical support team will be there. That's all.
Okay, ma'am. Full, I'll do it practically, ma'am. It's full practical. I'll show how it works and all. There is no theory here. How Gmail
Okay.
with
So then just
PowerPoint.
be watching in YouTube Live. So if they want to talk, they'll come only in the last hour of the session. All right?
Yes, ma'am.
So it's going to be a one-way communication.
Okay, ma'am.
So I'll tell you once we go live, we'll start at 10:15.
Yes, ma'am. Sure.
Chiru will start at 10:15.
I need more energy.
Shall we start?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, it's screen visible.
Yes, it is visible.
Yes. Good morning, everyone. My name is Vashita. I'm assistant professor in the Department of BCA at CB Bandari Jain College. Today, I'm here to discuss about what is Gmail, how it works, Google Cloud Service, how cloud works, Excel, Word, PPT, entire thing today I'm going to discuss. Okay, first, let us discuss what is Gmail. Okay, I'll take one Word file. Yes. What is Gmail? Gmail is a free email service provided by a Google. Gmail is a free service provided by a Google. It allows us to send emails, receive a mail. It allows us to send a file, photos, images, audio, video file, everything we can attach here. Then, what is an advantage of this Gmail? Yes, it's an extremely fast delivery. Gmail is an extremely fast delivery. It facilitates 24 bar 7 for sending in messages. One person can send emails to multiple person at a time. No need postal ticket required like that. Now I'll open Gmail. Hello. Everyone know right how to create an Gmail account? I'll show you how to create a Gmail account. Okay. Gmail. Um, Ma'am, it's my screen visible?
Yes, madam.
Yes, thank you. Here, add account. How to create an Gmail account. If you already have an account, already enter your account and sign in. Otherwise, create an account. First, for my personal use, for my child, for work or my business. There are types of emails. One is used for informal. It is used to send a semi-format like to send a colleagues, teammates, classmates. This are considered as a semi-format. Formal types of Gmails are it receives by a government. All professionals are going to use this Gmail, formal Gmail. Now let me create one Gmail account. First, enter your name. I'll give it as Ashita. Enter your last name. Next, enter your date of birth, year. Next, select a gender. Next, give your Gmail username. Okay, let me take next. Now, yes, then enter your. Now let me start. This is an Gmail account, right? Everyone knows. Now, how to send a Gmail? How to send a mail to your friend or colleague? First, click on this compose. Here, enter the Gmail address. I'll give it as Ashita. Enter. Then subject. I'll take subject related to leave. Then leave a message here. Something. Then click on a here. Can you able to see the send? I'm going to send a message to my friend. Then we can create a template here in Gmail account. How to create a template? Here is an option called settings. Go to settings. Settings. Here, see all settings. Then click on advanced. Now let me create a template. By default, it is disabled. Click on enable. Okay. Next, click on save changes. You can create your own template. Okay. Getting how to create a template. By default, it is disabled. Have to click on a enable button. Now let us discuss how to schedule a email. What is meaning of scheduling a email? Whenever I think it should deliver, message should deliver on time. Okay. How to schedule meeting like that? Now, look here. I'll schedule one meeting. Click on this compose. Then next, send to. Sorry. Here, I'll send. Enter the Gmail address here. I'll take one Gmail address. I'll click here, schedule send. Today, when I schedule the meeting, yes, you can pick any of the date and time. I'll select August 1. You can select a time also here. I'll select at 10 a.m. I'm going to schedule a meeting. Click here, schedule, send. The message is delivers to a particular email at that time. It is going to schedule a meeting. Understand how to schedule a meeting Gmail? Okay. Here also you can schedule. Here also you get an option to how to schedule a meeting or how to send a message. Whenever I think how to send that message, you can select. Take one example as October 1st is my friend birthday. I have to send a message that before Uh, Let me take one example. July 1st, I scheduled to October 1st. That time the message has to reach out that particular person. At that time, you can use this schedule. I'll select. You can send a schedule message to your friend like birthday wishes, meeting, college meetings, office, everything. You can send it using a scheduled message. Next, this is a send option. Then I any queries how to use a Gmail account, how to send a message, then how to send a file. Let me create first how to create a folder. Right click, new folder. Now I want to send one file. This file 22.pdf. How to send this file in Gmail account? First go to your Gmail account, click on compose, enter the Gmail address here, attach file. Then select a file, select a particular file. .php, open and click on send. This is how you are going to attach a file. Now now this is about a Gmail, how to use Gmail, how to send a mail, then how to schedule a meeting, everything. Next I'll start with a MS Office Word. First, how to open a Word. What is use of Word? We can store data here. We can store data, n number of data like audios, images, files. It is used to create notes, everything we can do it using a Word. How to open Word? There are two ways to open Word. Plus window button and R, enter win, win Word. Click on enter. Directly it is going to open a Word. That is one way of opening the Word file. Next way of opening the file is click on search button. Here go for Word. Then I click on Word. First I'm going to select a blank sheet. This is one Word file, blank sheet. This file, home, insert, design, layout, references, mailings, review, view, help. This thing is considered as a ribbon. This is known as a ribbon. Whenever I click on each ribbon, the data is going to change. Look here. I click on home. This thing is going to change. When I click on each ribbon, it will change. Next I click on insert. It is going to change. Design, layout, references, mailings, review, view, and everything is going to change. First, let us discuss home, a ribbon home. What is use of this home? Everything will discuss now. Now I type something. Hi, this is Varshita. Now, first we will discuss what is this clipboard. What is this clipboard? First, here we have paste, cut, copy, and format painter. Now, I select this. I click on copy. See, when I enter, it is going to paste. Getting? What is use of copy? Select the content, copy, and click on paste. It is going to paste. In which format you want to paste it, it is going to paste. What is this format painter? Format painter. I'll select here format painter. Clear all. Just a second. It's not going to work. Then I'll come to this font. What is this font? Here I have to change this font style. I'll on this bold. It is going to change. The content is going to change to a bold. Then I click this italic. Then I want to give a underline for this. I select this. I select this one. Observe here. It is going to give an underline. It is going to underline this sentence. Then I will change this as size. See, this is going to increase the font size. This is used to increase the font size. Observe here. It is going to increase the font size. This, the small a, it is going to decrease the font size. Otherwise, you can do it manually also. I'll give that 17. It is going to change. I'll give 16. You can select here also. There are two options to change your font size. This one and this one. Now, how to change this font style? Look here. There are so many options available here to change the font style. I'll go with this one. Observe here, the text is going to change. The text is going to change. Now, I'll give this. I'll use this shading. Observe here. See, wow, it is going to change. There are so many options here. Outline. You can for outline I can use different colors. Red, yellow, green, blue. I'm going to select. Then one. There are so many options here. Shadow. I'm going to give shadow. Here, see, I'm sorry, here there is some shadow. Hi, this is Vashita. Shadow is there. First, you have to select a text. Then only you will get an option. Reflection, glow. See, there are so many options. You can customize your colors according to your need. Next, I change the color. Look here. The text color is not going to change here. Before we are going to change the text color. Here, the text color is not going to change. The background, observe here. This is a text. The background color is going to change. I'll give a red. Observe here. Yellow. The background is going to change. Observe here. Background, blue. The background color is going to change. Next, how to remove this? This is used to remove this, the font color. Okay. I'll go with a black, blue, or your wish. Then, okay, I delete this particular cell. Then, what is this? I'll come for paragraph. What is this paragraph? What is use of paragraph? Let us discuss what is the use of this paragraph. Look here. You know, right, how to select entire text. Control A is to select an entire text. Control A is used to select an entire text. Observe here. It is going to come to a center of the document. Now it is moving, right? This is known as an indentation. See, it is going to shift it right. I want exactly center. See, this is an alignment, center aligned text. Now, what is this known as a spacing? This is used for a spacing. Here, look, as of now, there is no spacing. Now I have to give a more space. Here, you can select give 3.0, 2.5, 2.0, 1.5. Add space before paragraph. I'll select 3.0. Observe here. The spacing is going to change. The spacing part 0.0 spacing is going to change. Now I want to give a numbering to this. How to give numbering? Here is an option to give a numbering. You can select here. Observe here. I'm not going to enter manually. Otherwise, I have to enter 1, 2, 3. I'm not going to do manually. Look here. Select this, and here is an option. I'll change. You can change. I'll use ABC. See, observe. It's going to change. Then next, one more option here. What is use of this? It is used to look here. Marking. Here I can use images also. Here you can give an images also. See bullet point. I can use bullet point. You can change the display levels, everything. None. I'm going to remove all. Then yeah, again it's going to give a coloring, everything like that. Again, it's an indentation. Nothing much to discuss here. Now, what is this? Observe here. Heading. This is heading. The heading is going to change. Heading. This is heading 1. Heading 2. It is keep on increasing the text. See, heading. Heading 2. It's bigger. Heading 3. Like that. Here there are so many options you can select here. Book title, strong title, subtitle, like this. There are so many options you can select here. Heading 1, heading 2, heading 3. Observe here the text font sizes keep on decreasing. Number 1, heading 1, high, low, low. The font size is decreasing. Next. Oh, sorry, I forgot to tell you this. You know the formula, right? A square plus B square. How to enter that A square plus B square here? A square, how to give? For this, here is an option. A upper script and superscript. Here, I'll enter A. Sorry. Here, I'll give 2 A square. Observe here. the A square is going to change. A square, upperscript and superscript. Okay, it's going to give an upperscript and superscript. Now, I'll select one different Word file so that you can understand Word. Okay, sorry. Okay, page. Now, I want to find a particular thing. Find. Now I have to find a Python. Here, it is going to mark Python. It's in yellow color. You can easily find a particular word here. Python. Next, I'll give install. I'll find install. See, it's going to highlight. You can easily find a particular text here using this find option. Getting? Then replace. What is use of this replace? Observe here. I'm going to replace Python with py. I want to replace. Observe here. Replace. First, give Python. Replace with py. Replace all. There are 13 words Python. Observe here. That is going to replace. Observe. Before it is Python, right? Now it's changed to py. That is a use of a replace. Getting what is use of replace? There is nothing in select. I discuss only important thing. It is going to helpful for you. Then I come this ribbon, insert ribbon. What is use of this insert ribbon? Pages, tables. What is this pages? Observe here. Now I want one blank page. I want one blank page. Here. Click on enter. Here I'm getting one blank page here, right? Getting one blank page here. Then what is this cover page? There are so many templates here present in cover page. You can select a template and you can change the content according to your need. I'm going to change this document title to Google subtitle Word Mail Excel Sure, you can change the date, company name, change ID, change the date file 7/2026, company name, company address. You can give it. Understand what is cover page and blank page. It used to get one blank page between. Now, okay, I'll delete this one. What is this page break? What is use of this page break? I observe here. I click on page break. It is going to break before observe here. This is an install py. Here I have to uh, break the page. Here is my cursor. I'll click on page break. Observe, it is going to pop up in a next page, right? Then understand what is pages. I hope you all are following me. Next, tables. What is tables? All of you know it is a combination of rows and columns. Look here. I select this text. Uh, I'll click on no need. I'll select different sheet. One blank page. Sure. Yes. Now I want to create one timetable. Whole college timetable, simple timetable. Here is an option. Here you can select how many rows, columns, like that. Here you are able to see. Insert table. See, I'll select 2 rows and 2 columns. Here you can enter a text. Google something, the data. Understand how to create a table. Insert table, and you can draw a table also. There is option to draw a table also. Then draw a table. Getting? Okay. Draw a table. Next, Excel spreadsheet. You can insert a, right, Excel spreadsheet. Yes, you can use this Excel spreadsheet table here in Word. Next, I'll go with a pictures. How to insert a pictures in Word. I click on this pictures, this device, gallery. Yes, you can select a picture and click on insert. Yes, you can resize it. Okay. Now, I teach you one interesting thing here. Okay, I'll insert. Let me insert image here. Then everyone knows how to insert pictures. Now we'll discuss one new features in image. Okay, I'll go with this one only. Insert. Okay, now where is that? Sorry. Oh my god, very sorry. I'll insert here. Okay, now see here, there is one option called remove background. You can remove a background. Now see, I can able to remove a background. Here, mark areas to keep, mark areas to remove. I mark areas to keep. I want to keep this eyes. Okay, keep changes. See, are you able to follow? Remove background. Next, mark areas to remove. I want to remove this. See, you can add you can remove and add. Here, now observe here, there is one important feature here. This is known as a wrap. See here, this is a text, right? Everyone know this is a text. The image is present here below the text. Now I click on this wrap text. Okay, wrap text. Observe here, there is a feature I tell you. Observe here. See. Wait. See, the image is present on a text. Below the text, the image is present right here. Text is also here, image. Right, getting? Understanding? You can add here also. See, it's on present on a text. Right? Yes. Next, we are in insert ribbon, right? Next, here we have so many options, shapes. I'll select these shapes and mark here. You can select a different shapes in insert tab. There are so many shapes here. Can select according to your need. Insert tab, shapes, icon, 3D modules. The same, it's like a pictures only, icons, smart art. What is use of this chat? You all know what is it's a data visualization. It is a clear picture of a visualizing a data. I'll select a column chart. Here you can change the data. I'll go with a product. You can change the data. You'll get a chart. Getting, you can easily modify your chart. This thing chart. Okay, chart. See, here we'll get histogram, stock, map, area. So many graph data visualizations are present involved. Yes, next. What is this screenshot? Now I have to take one immediately. I have to take one screenshot and I have to paste it in my Word file. What I'll do, click on this screenshot. Okay. No need. Screenshot. Wait. I'll take this screenshot. Okay. See, it is going to present here. Taking an immediate screenshot and paste it here. Is a series of insert tab, screenshot, online videos. You can see online videos and all. What is this use of a link? Now have so many files, folders and files. I have to give a link. I select 1111.doc. This is one Word file. I have to give a link in this file. Click on OK. You will get a link. Control and click on this. You automatically move to that particular file. Here I'm not going to copy paste entire Word file. Here instead of that I'm giving a link to it. Getting how to give a link. Next, Next, I'll go with bookmark and all. It's not much important. Next, I'll go with a comment. I'll give comment as hi, how are you all? Observe here, you are getting one small message here, right? This indicates that you are using a comment. There is something present in this comment. You can delete that comment also. Delete this thread. No, see, observe here, the comment was gone. Just you, all of you know how to give header and footer to your file. I'll change. Observe here. Document file, I'll change to Google. See. Now how to remove this? Click on close header and footer. No, it's gone. It's removed. Header is it's gone. Oh my god, wait. Header, remove header. See, the header is going to remove. Then I'll add footer. Footer, right? Select footer. Here you can give your wish. Okay. Footer. See, you can add a text here. See, 3 footer, 3 datas you can add here. Insert, and then I can give page number top of a page. At the top of a page, as here, observe here, top of a page. Observe here. It's going to start with the top of a page. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Page number, bottom of a page. Here, observe. You're not supposed to enter manually 1, 2, 3. By default, it is going to give a page number. This is a page number. Then text box. There are so many options, or you can draw a text box here. You can draw a text box, enter a data, and you can change the font and everything. You can do it. Page number, text box, world art we already discussed, right? Fonts, same. These are not much important. Next, I'll move to this design tab. You can select a different styles. It's going to header, everything it's going to change. You can use a different color, same thing already we have discussed. Changing a font style, everything, changing a page color. Sorry, here. I'll go with this a red. Entire page color. Observe, it's turned to a red. Yes. Then you can add effects, everything, effects, same. Already we have discussed a layout. Layout, what is this layout? You can change the margin, page size, normal. Observe here, the page size is going to change, giving a margins. See, observe the margins, wide. See, observe this table. The data is going to change. The content present in the file, it's going to change normal. It's different. You can change the landscape, portrait, everything. You can change the file letter type, right? Yeah, there are so many. A4 size sheet, A5 size sheet, you can change it. Columns, then this is also important thing. See, I select this columns. I'm going to break this content into a separate column, 2 columns, then 3 columns. Like that, you have so many options, more options. Columns, 1 column, 2 column, 3 columns, like that. Then break. They already discussed right how to break the page. The same indentation, the spacing, indentation. The starting we have discussed right indentation. Same thing. This is references. There is no much important mailings, reviews. You can check the spellings, grammar here. It is showing some mistakes. You can able to
Scikit-learn. Scikit-learn.
Yes, read aloud.
Sklearn is the most useful and robust library for machine
You are able
learning
to
in
listen.
PY.
Yes, it's going to read.
It provides a selection of
Then
efficient
there is a
tools for
good
machine
option,
learning
translate.
and statistical modeling, including classification,
See, English to
regression,
Kannada. I can
clustering,
change
and dimensionality
Kannada to
reduction
English,
via a consistent
different
interface in PY.
languages. Yeah, we have
This
so many
library,
options.
which is largely written in PY, is built upon NumPy,
Chinese.
Pandas CPY, and Matplotlib.
See,
Pip upgrade.
I'll change this
Using
to
pip.
Kannada.
Pip is PY's package manager. It usually comes installed with PY. Open a terminal command prompt. pym install pip, upgrade pip. Install numpy, pip install numpy. Press enter. This command will download and install numpy.
Next.
Install pandas, pip install pandas. Press enter. This command will download and install pandas.
Understand? Language translator is also available in Word, View. It is. I'll change this to a read mode. Observe here. The read mode. Separate 2 columns. I can click here. It is in a read mode. See, a read mode. Yes. Now this is about a Word, how to use Word and all. Then I'll save this. How to save? I save it in desktop. Give some file. See, the extension is .docx. This is an extension to save a Word file. I will give name as Google 1. I'm going to save it in desktop. Save. Okay, now then how to search for a particular file means click and enter G. It is popping all the G. I'm going to start with a file G. Google Chrome and G, this one. I put this inside this folder. Simple. Then that's about a Word. Then I'm going to start with an Excel. What is this Excel? What is use of this Excel? In Word, I can't save I can't use any formulas here. Now I'll store some student marks card. Let me go with the marks card. Name, subjects, maths, science, social. It's not in a good format to read, right? And here I'm not able to calculate a total number, total percentage, formulas. I can do formulas, calculation, everything can be done in a Excel. How to do? we'll discuss. This is an Excel sheet. Okay, when I press on this, when I click on B section, it is going to pop up entire thing. When I click on here, observe here, 1. When I click on this 1, the entire thing is going to select 2. When I click on A, the entire A is going to select B. This box, the small box is considered as an cell. Small box is known as a cell. If I click on rows, entire row is going to select. If I click on column, entire column is going to select. Getting? Now, okay. Okay. Now I'll enter some student marks. First, okay, I'll give some 10, entering some data, 20, 30. Okay, wait. Now I'm going to start with 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now I want to enter till 100. See how to give. See, it is going to take 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Now I'm going to start with 1, 2, 3, 4. How to enter? Anyone? Sorry, 4. It is going to change. The 1, 2. 2 is going to change to 1. The 3, I'm sorry, 3 is going to change to 1. 4 is going to change to 1. Now I enter some data. Okay, here is equals to sum. I'll select entire number and then click on enter. The total is 11. 11 ones are there, right? Count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It is going to give a formula. How to calculate is equals to sum, select a data and close the bracket. Now I'll calculate 10, 20. How to calculate 10 plus 20, 30, right? How to calculate is equals to formula. Here also, observe here also, you can type here also, is equals to sum. Select number 1. Number 1 is 10, comma, the number 2. Close the parenthesis, click on enter. You are getting 30. Right, you are getting it as 30. Yes. Okay. Here I can adjust it. See here, plus mark, you are getting plus mark, right? You can adjust it. See, I'm getting a width more here. A, B, C, like that. Okay. Yes, good. Now, okay, let me see some different thing here. I enter. Okay. Now let me calculate a age. How to calculate age in Excel sheet using an date diff formula. How to calculate a age in Excel is using an date diff formula. Now, okay, I'll enter my date of birth here. 01 10 1997 is my date of birth. Now, how to calculate my age using a date diff formula is equals to date diff, open parenthesis, select a date, next, comma, today, enter today, next, I'm going to calculate a year, right? Here I'm giving it as inside a double quotes, enter Y. Close 28. The age is going to calculate 28. Now I want to calculate a days. Instead of D, Y, you can give it as D. Up here. days. And you can change just months also. For month, same M. See, 345 months. For years, Y. For days, D. Months, M. How to calculate age? Using an date def formula. Understand how to calculate age using an date def formula. Um, Next, okay, let me take date of joining. Now tell me how to calculate I'll take one employee date of joining. The employee A, the date of joining is okay 1/10 2025. Now I want to calculate a year. Date of joining year. Okay, how to calculate? Using same date def formula. Select, then what? Today, close the parenthesis, comma, here. How many years? I think 1, 0. I'll take it as 24. See, going to change 1 years. How many months? The employee has completed 1 years. How many months? The employee A has completed 21 months in a particular company. Understand how to calculate a date of joining, birthday date. Here we can calculate a formulas. Anything you can able to calculate. In world, it's not possible to do this operations. Okay. Now, result analysis. I'll take one simple task, a result analysis. Okay, I'll go with some result analysis. Let me clear this. Okay, I'll take different Excel sheet. Okay, I'll go with that. I'll take some student name here. Student's name, subjects. Okay, I'll enter student name, Anusha. Your Hindi marks, English, Kannada. Okay, oh, sorry. I'll take it as name. Here I'll enter Anusha. 12, she scored 12. English 98. Kannada 22. Now I have to calculate a total here. Okay, total. I give it as total. Okay. Now how to calculate a total? Hindi plus English plus Kannada. Tell me how to calculate using a sum formula. Is equals to sum open parenthesis. Select 3 cells and close 132 as a total. Then I'll take one more student. Bindu. Hindi marks is 92. English 22. 33. Next, how to calculate is equals to sum. Again, I'm going to select this. Don't you think here I'm repeating a same task again and again by entering a same formula? I'm repeating the same task here, right? Is equals to sum selecting the three subjects and total. What I can do here is observe here, Chetan, I'll enter marks. No need to give again formula. What I can do is, wait, I'll take one more name, Dana Lakshmi. I'll enter marks 30, 22, 87. Instead of repeating a same task again and again, what I'll do is, here you are getting one plus mark. Upside, this is very interesting. Click on this plus symbol and drag. By automatically it is going to calculate. No need to repeat the task again and again. No need to repeating your task here again and again. By default, it is, you can enter the different name also, and you can check Vashita. Oh, 12. Oh, let me enter some good marks. Okay, 90, 40. See here. No need to repeat the task again and again. Now, I want to check a first rank student. How to check the first rank student marks using a max formula equals to max. Here, I'll select this total. (187) as an highest rank one who is scoring 187. Chetan. 187 is an highest marks, maximum mark. How to calculate maximum mark? Is here, observe here, is equals to marks. Select the cells and click on enter. Next, how to give the result analysis. How to do a result analysis. I click on a result. Okay. I'll enter formula here. How to do the result analysis. Here, the person who is scoring above 60 is considered as a first class, right? Above 60, above 85 is a distinction, above 90 is a first rank, right? How to do that analysis? In Excel, we can do that analysis easily. How to give? Here, observe here. Just a second. Here I give open para is equals to if condition. I'm giving if condition. Observe here, okay? If open parenthesis, I'll select cell is greater than or equals to okay. Oh, I took more marks. I'll consider it as an 200. Let me consider it as an 200. If greater than 200 is considered as a first class. First class. Okay. Next, if E2 is lesser than or equals to lesser than, I'll change here, sorry, greater than 150. First class lesser than or equals to 100. Second class or fail. Sorry, very sorry. Here again have to give a if condition. Very sorry. Okay, based on this formula, it is going to work. Is lesser than or equals to 100, second class. If it is greater than or equals to 150, first class. Other way, it is considered as a fail. How to calculate for entire student? Plus marks, just plus marks. Try. Based on the formula, it is going to calculate. Getting? Yes. Now, this is about how to work in Excel. Now next, again you have an option insert here, pictures. This device, select this image and insert shapes, icon, modules, everything here. Graphs are there to analyze the marks, everything. Analyze different graphs are there. um, you can draw. Same, we already discussed in Word, right? Margins, orientation, change the background color, background image. You can change it according to your need. Data, reviews, sim, spelling, checking, view tab, uh, help, can ask for help, format, everything. Okay, we will discuss in future how to work with all this. Now, I want to protect. This is a very sensitive data. This data is a very sensitive data. Okay. Now I have to protect this. How to protect? By giving a password. How to set a password here. How to set a password? Click here. Info. Protect a workbook. Encrypt with a password. I'll give password. I'll enter marks 1, 2, 3. Okay. Re-enter password 1, 2, 3. Again I'll click on. Okay. Now I'll save this file in this PC. Desktop. I'll book1.xls. No. Desktop. I'll give name as G1. Up here .slx as an extension to save a Excel file. G1. Save. This is very sensitive data. That's why I'm protecting. Okay. Now, where is that data? G1. See, it is asking a password to open, right? This is how we'll protect our sensitive data, by giving a password. I'll enter password. See, file is going to open. How to protect your Excel sheet? I'll repeat. File, info, protect workbook, encrypt with password, enter password, re-enter password and save it. Done. Okay. Now I will discuss about a PowerPoint. Okay. Let me do module 1. This is a PowerPoint, all of you know. I select one new slide. How to select a new slide? See, option. For presentation, all we are using this PPTs only. Now I'll click on new cell. You can select your file according to your need. You can give a title here. Sorry. Google. Here you can insert image also. From this device, you can insert image also. Let me insert one image. I'll go with the same image. Insert. See, I can insert image here also. Same. Already we have discussed in Word, right? This clipboard, slides, font, paragraph, everything is same. What is speciality in this PowerPoint presentation is how. Oh, wait. Mm, okay. Can select a different styles here. There are so many templates, built-in templates. Can select built-in templates, designs present in a design tab. Insert, you are going to enter a table. Same thing. Pictures, we can add screenshot here, shapes, same. Comment, text box, header, footer, we already discussed, right? Word art, everything is same. Draw, you can able to draw here. Drawing something. Transition. Observe here. I want to move the slides. Why? Observe here. I'll enter F5. Just a second. Sorry. Wait. Sorry. We are in design tab, transition. See, I select, push, it's loading. Wait. What happened? Sorry, wait. Upside here. Now this data is moving. I change this different thing. Okay, design, transition, swiping. Okay, see, it's swiping, right? Again, I'll change split. Okay, function F5. See, it is going to split. Observe this. It is going to split the content. Yeah, observe here. Observe, it is going to split. It is a use of this transition. You can give animations here. Select first, you have to select the text. Appear, fade, flying, animations. There are so many different animations you can select and give slideshow from starting. See, this is a slideshow. Splitting, we selected a splitting, right? Or otherwise it's going to start from beginning. From current slide, we are in slide number 3. It is going to start from slide number 3. You can hide these slides also. Everything can be done. Recording this thing, a review, view, and everything is a same thing here. PowerPoint. Then I'll show same how to save this. The extension to save the PowerPoint is .pptx. .pptx. TX is an extension to save the PowerPoint. For Excel.XLSX, the extension to save PowerPoint is .pptx. Save or don't save. Now, okay, let me discuss what is meaning of now I want to communicate with a different people. Here, see, this is an one-to-one communication, right? I'm communicating with so many people. Collaboration, right? Now, how to give a Google link form, how to connect with the people's one-to-one connection using a Google Meet link. How to set a Google Meet link is Google Meet. See, enter Google Meet, click here, new meeting. I'm going to schedule. This is meaning of collaboration. I'm going to connect with one person connecting with so many people, one-to-one connection. New, create a new meeting or start an instant meeting, schedule in Google Calendar, present. I'm going to select a meeting present or in a future, right? I'll create a meeting for later. See, it is going to create. It is going to give a copy link. You can copy this link and share it to your teammates or your friends. New meeting, start an instant meeting. Now I'm going to start one meeting here. You will get automatically you will get a link over here. You can copy paste this and send to your friends. This is meaning of collaboration. One-to-N communication. One-to-N a communication. Understand how to create an meeting. Want to share this link with your friends or classmates. Then, okay, let me discuss how to create a Google form. What is use of Google form? You all guys know what is use of Google form. Google form. Here also there are so many built-in templates present in forms. You can select a built-in templates. I'll go with this blank form. Here you can give, let me take a feedback. Okay. Feedback form. Feedback form. Here a description about Google Drive. Here I change. You want to change the settings, you can change. Otherwise, no need. I'll go with the same thing. Sorry. Feedback form. Here also I can change the font, style, size, everything. Let me give underline here. Google Drive. Here I'll give questions. You can enter the questions. What is email? Here there are so many options. Okay, whether it is in multiple choice, checkbox, drop down, paragraph, or short answers. Now let me discuss. Okay, I'll take it as short answer. Here it is required. When I click on this required, you will get one red mark. Wait, I'll show you. See, this is indicate that it's a mandatory to enter. Otherwise, you can't able to send. Okay. Here, what is an email? Now, you go with how to calculate age in CLX. Here, I'm giving a options. How to give an option by here multiple choice question. Here I'll type equals date diff formula. Here I'll select options is equals to date formula. Yes, here I can use is equals to D. Here is an option. What is the difference between this multiple choice and checkbox is in checkbox you can select only one item at a time. Can't select both date, diff and date. Checkbox means you have to select only one. What happens in checkbox? We can select a multiple things. I'll show you. Okay. Click on this. Okay. One more thing. Plus mark. Plus symbol. Add question. Use it to add a question. Here. Checkbox. Cloud storage. I'll go with today topics. What we are discussing world. Here I select checkbox. See, this is checkbox. See up here. This is multiple choice. Multiple choice means you will get one a circle checkbox like this one box. Okay, world. Excel. PowerPoint. Then you want to add one more question? Yes, you can add by clicking a plus. You can select whether it is a short answer, paragraph, multiple choice, checkbox, drop down list. Next, okay, this is my Google form. This is my Google form. Now, how to send this Google form? You can change the name here. FD. I'll change the name FD. Okay, now how to send this? How to send this form to your friend? For that, first you have to publish this thing. Click on publish. Anyone who is having anyone a link, they are going to open. Yes, anyone with a link, publish. See, you will get an URL automatically. Pop-up window will open. You will get one link, shorten URL. Yes, you can click copy and you can send it to your friend. Then how to see this responses? Those who have entered. Wait, I'll share this form in WhatsApp to my friend. Okay. I'll send this. Up so here. I'll enter. I'll open this. See, who created this Google form? We, right? We created this Google form. Uh, this is what is email. Write something. Uh, Date diff, right? How to calculate age in Excel? Date diff, right? Next, world, submit. Feedback from your response has been recorded. Now the task is how to check this responses. We know how to create this Google Form. Google Form, right? We discussed how to create this a Google Form. Now how to check the responses. How to check this responses? Again here automatically the responses it is going to open. See, I entered in my email account, my email ID. See, I enter something. I'm getting the output in the form of this thing. One responses date diff 100%. It's correct. See, like this. Now I want to open this thing in Excel sheet. How to open this in Excel sheet? Here, so many people will enter. I can't see this data like this. I want to arrange the things neatly, right? That's why I open this feedback form in Excel sheet, link to sheets. Create one new spreadsheet, create. See, are you able to follow? See, neatly. Before the data is not arranged properly here. The data is going to arranged in a neat format, right? Observe here. Data is arranged in neat format. Everyone know, right? Everyone are able to follow. Yes. Again, I'll enter one more report, one more response. I'll give one more response. Okay. I enter something. Excel. So submit. See what it's throwing. This is the required section. Why? Red mark. Oh, go. Submit. I'll go with this feedback form. To responses. See how to wave this in Excel sheet. Wave in sheet. See, along with the time, date, you are going to get it. Okay, are you able to follow? Right. This is about how to create a Google form, link, and all. What is meaning of cloud storage? Any idea? Cloud storage. Here, now, see, observe here. Everything I'm going to store inside my desktop, right? Desktop inside some folders. I'm going to store every file, every data, anything. What happens? Observe. Okay, I'll give an example so that you can easily understand. Instagram. Everyone are using Instagram. There are so many million billions of data are present in Instagram. What is data means a raw information. How they are going to store a million billions of data? It's possible to store million billions of data in an Excel sheet, Word, or PowerPoint. Are you able to understand what I'm trying to say? It's possible to store? No, it's not possible. Why? Because there is no such storage present inside this, right? Then how to store that millions billions of data using an cloud storage? AWS, there are so many services provider. SAS, software as a services. There are so many cloud storage providers are there. Okay, software as a service. One the one thing I could like to share is AWS. Any idea about AWS? AWS means Amazon Web Service. In this thing, we are storing all data. Small, big companies are using this cloud storage purpose. Why? Because to store a data, to store a secure data. What is meaning of secure? Encryption. What is meaning of encryption? Um, if third party attacks your message, it could not able to see it. Why? Because it's encrypted. Even though if they open and see it, it is an unreadable form. Your message, your data, it's in readable form. When it is put it into an encrypted form, it becomes an unreadable form. Even if I open the file, I'm not able to read your messages. Why? Because it is an encrypted data. I'll show you one thing. Okay, everyone knows Google Drive, right? Every cloud storage, how to store images. We are using cloud storage, everything. Now I'll show you one more thing. Google Slide. Observe one thing here. This Word file, Excel file, PPT, everything, it is going to occupy some space. It is going to occupy some space. Now I'm going to store the data in a drive. Okay, I'll go with a Google Slide. The Google Slide. There are so many templates here. You can select different templates. There are so many templates are in Google Slide. What is meaning of this Google Slide is it is going to save in your drive, cloud storage. Okay, no space is needed. Everything is going to store in a drive. Google Slide. Okay, here, yes, you can change your file name. Slide 1, new slide, new presentation slide. I'll go with one blank slide. Okay. I'll go with one blank slide. Then I click on insert everyone. Okay, insert. Let me add one image. Okay. Upload from computer. Open. This is how to add an image in Google Slide. There are so many options here. Insert image, insert text box. Here I'll give one text box. I'll enter data. Hi, how are you? Text box. Yes, you can note. Okay. Hi, how are you? This is a text box. I'm going to insert it. Insert shapes again. Yes, you can add a shape here. Arrows. Let me select one. Arrow. See here. Switch. Yes. Shapes, arrows. Next. Next, insert. You can add tables. See, you're getting table here. Here also you can add image or text. See, you can add images or text. Then what is present in insert? Building blocks, table, chart. Let me take from sheets. See, this is a response sheet, right? Google feedback form. I will insert this. No charts. Okay. I think here no charts. Yeah. If we have a charts, we can insert. I don't have that file. Line, curve, video. You can able to see videos, everything here, and you can paste the link inside this Google slide. View tab, zoom menu, 90% zoom, observe. So here, sorry, full screen. See, it's going to change, right? Increase and decrease also. Then, okay, one more thing. Sorry. You can select a template from a gallery also.
Excuse me, ma'am. Madam,
Yes, ma'am.
maybe take a small break till 12:05.
Yes, ma'am, sure.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Let's go on a break for 10 minutes, students. We will resume back at 12:05.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Yes, I'm discussing Google Slide. Google Slides. Yes. It's visible, ma'am? Ma'am?
Yes, ma'am, it's visible.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Yes. Google Slides. I select a blank slide here and I'll add some. mm, Here I can add a files also. Cloud. And let me add some files here. Sorry. Okay. What I'm trying to connect. Yes, this is about a Google slide. The last one thing I'm going to discuss is collaboration. What is meaning of collaboration? Any ideas? What is meaning of collaboration? It is slow, ma'am. Okay. Digital tool for collaboration. Any online applications that helps people work together by sharing information is considered as a digital tool collaboration. For example, there are so many collaborations are there. Google Workspace, Zoom meeting, Microsoft Teams, even GitHub. This all are Google collaboration. LinkedIn, we can connect with a one to n. We are going to connect with a many people. Collaboration. Okay, I will show you one example how LinkedIn works. Collaboration. LinkedIn is one tool of a collaboration. Okay, we can connect with so many people here. One to many people connection. We will get is also helpful for your jobs, everything. Here we'll get all information related to job. Those are looking for a job. LinkedIn. What happens? Yes, this is one example for collaboration also. We can connect with so many people here. See, I can follow any people here. I can send a message, a request, everything. This is useful to search a job here, my networks. I can connect with so many people. See, I can arrange for a group chat. Everything I can do it using a LinkedIn. Job options. You can directly connect with an HRs here. In LinkedIn, you can directly connect with an HR. One to N connection is nothing but an collaboration. Your Google Zoom meeting is also an example for collaboration. This normal, we are connecting, right? This is also an example for collaboration. Look here, jobs. Here you'll get a n number of jobs. HR's number, manufacturing, about pharma, everything you'll get. One to N connection is nothing but an collaboration. Um, yes, now I completed what is a Word, PPT, how to use Google Slide, how to create a form, Google form. If students have any queries, they can ask. Any queries? Feeling difficulty to create any forms?
We've not yet allowed students to enter the Google Meet. Shall we allow them now?
Yes, ma'am. Hello.
Okay, we will just invite the students to attend in Google Meet.
Yes, ma'am.
Give us 2 minutes.
Okay, ma'am.
Chiru, share the Google Meet link. Yes, ma'am, we may resume.
Yes, ma'am. Hello, everyone. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
Yes, sir. Any queries?
Students, if you have any doubts, you may ask
Any
now.
queries? Any doubts? What is Word, PowerPoint, Excel, Gmail, how Gmail works, MS Office, how Google Slides, collaboration. Everything is clear? Yes. Kulsum? Unmute yourself and ask. Yes, Ume Kulsum, yes.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
Like Excel sheets are like we should learn it for lifelong. It's like Excel sheets are being learned like not in limited thing. So is it okay to learn sufficient Excel sheet points for the basic?
Yes, sir. You have advanced version of Excel also, Power BI. You may heard Power BI.
Yeah.
Yeah. No need to give any formulas. It is going to give. I will show you. Power BI desktop. For calculation formulas, right?
Yeah.
Hmm. There is an advanced version, Power BI. See, here you can get any types of data and you can do any analysis here. It's an advanced version of Excel, Power BI. You can import Excel sheets and you can add graphs, you calculate formulas, everything. Here, import data from Excel. I'll show you
Thank.
one example. I'll select one Excel file. And you can load your Excel sheet file here and you can start doing analysis. There's an advanced version of Excel also. Here you will get all data loaded. Data is loaded. See, you can use any graphs for analysis, bar graph, pie chart. There is an advanced version of Excel. Did I answer your question, Kulsum?
Yeah. Thank you, ma'am.
Any queries? Yes. Good afternoon. How collaboration works means 1 to n. Now, example, this is on Google Meet, right? I'm going to connect with you people. This is meaning of collaboration. 1 to n. People connecting. I show you one example also. LinkedIn. 1 to n connections is nothing but an collaborations. Zoom meeting, Google Meet. These are our example for collaboration. Any queries in Excel? Yes, how to calculate? We discussed some formulas in Excel, right? Any queries? First, what we discussed, Gmail. How to send a mail, attaching the files, scheduling a meeting. Everything is clear. How to schedule meeting. MS Office, how ribbon works. Ribbon, home bar. Yes, Kulsum.
Ma'am, what is the difference between a formula and a function in Excel?
What is the difference between?
A formula and a function in Excel.
Wait, I'll show you. I'll take some data. Observe here. 30. Is, wait, is equals to sum, right? What is an output? 10, 20, 30. The output is 60. Here I am writing a code, right? Here I am writing a code formula. This is a man-made thing, right? A function, it is already built in. Here, formulas. Auto sum, average, count number, max. Here, I'll calculate max values. Max values, min values. Function is already built in. The formulas custom made. We are writing a formula. Function means it's already built in. See, insert functions, it's already built in function. No need to enter a formulas here. 10. I'll give 20. 10, 20. Okay, here 30. It's already built in. Function means it's already built in. Formulas is a custom made. We are writing a formula. Entering manually. Here are options called formulas. These are functions. It's already built in. No need to enter a data manually. Yes.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Next, any queries?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Rupa.
Ma'am, what do you mean by schedule, ma'am?
Schedule. Okay, I'll explain. Now, tomorrow I'm not available. Okay. Tomorrow I'm busy. I'm not able to send a mail.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What I am trying to do is I am scheduling tomorrow's meeting now. Getting my point. Wait, I'll show you.
Yes,
I'll
ma'am.
open Gmail account. Tomorrow I'm not available. Look here. Okay. Compose. I'm just planning. Okay. I send a email. I'll enter some text. I'm going to schedule send. When I have to send tomorrow, 6th. You can select a time also. Tomorrow, 10 a.m., the message is going to deliver to a particular user.
Yes, ma'am.
Any queries?
No, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
It's just a planning. That's it.
Okay, ma'am.
Planning the
Thank you.
task. Yes, Chiranjeevi. To seek a job, advanced level. There are n number of formulas are there in Excel. Sum if, count if, so many formulas are there. But now Power BI is booming to analyze the data. Why Excel is used to work on data, right? Power BI is more useful to work on data, raw data, any types of data. Yes, Fatima. Yes, Rupa. That's it. No queries. Know how to protect Excel sheet? How to protect Excel sheet? Tell me. Yes, how to protect Excel sheet? Anyone? Yes, how to protect your Excel sheet? Yes, Kulsum.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, how to protect your Excel sheets?
We can protect our Excel sheet like, can I say the basic steps?
Ah, yes, yes.
Opening our workbook in Microsoft Excel, we can select the Excel sheet which we want to protect.
Hmm.
We can go to the review tab,
Hmm.
and then we will get an option called protect sheet.
Hmm.
Also, we can enter a password if we want, or else it's an optional maybe. I'm not sure about that.
Yes, it's no.
And
The
then
Excel file.
what we are protecting, we should choose.
Info. Click info. Protect workbook. You can protect workbook. Encrypt with password.
Okay,
Here you can give a password. Encrypt with a password.
okay, ma'am.
Hmm. Yes, next. How to check joining date of an employee?
I'm not aware of that, ma'am. Sorry.
Yes. Or how to calculate age in Excel?
I didn't get you, ma'am.
How to calculate age in Excel?
How to calculate?
Using one function. Date diff, right? See, this is a, let me take one. Employee, the employee name is A. The date of joining is, now have to give bonus, okay? The date of joining them is, let me take 5 7 2023. Yes, now how to calculate a year? Date of joining. sorry, is equals to date diff formula, right? Is equals to date diff. Then select a date cell, okay, comma,
Yeah.
next today, select today, next comma, here, calculating here, 3 years. After 3 years, I'm giving a bonus to an employee. Then this person, employee A, is eligible for a bonus. Same thing, how to calculate age? Tell me your date of birth.
Mine.
Yes.
2007.
Okay. 1, 2 is equals to date diff. Select a date. Okay. Select the date cell. I mean date cell.
Okay.
Next, today. Next, comma, inside double quotes, Y. 19 years.
Okay.
Now I have to calculate month instead of years. Now I want to calculate months, total number of months. Instead of Y, I am giving M. See, it is calculate. Give us 233. How to check days instead of M?
D.
Yes, good. Days. Oh, 7,094 days. Great. Next. No doubts in Excel. Okay, tell me how to calculate total marks. Here, you can adjust it. Plus mark, right? See here. Name. I'll enter subject. Hindi. Okay, enough. Yeah. The English total marks is 12. Hindi 22. Here I'll give total. Now tell me how to calculate the total. Hindi and English total. Yes, quick, fast. Tell me how to calculate. What is the formula? Is equals to sum. Right. This is a built-in function. Select this two. Okay. Close parenthesis. You are getting 34. Right. Are you able to follow? Hello. Am I audible? Next. Now I'll give one task. B. The name is B. The English marks is 22. The Hindi marks is 90. Tell me how to calculate total.
By using
Yes.
formula, I guess, ma'am.
By using a formula. Which formula? What formula?
Sum.
Is equals to sum.
Huh.
Okay. I select this two this two. Before also I did same thing, right? Don't you think I am repeating the same step?
Yeah, actually.
Right. I'm repeating the same steps, right? Is equals to sum. I'm selecting these two cells. Right. I'm repeating the task again and again.
Oh, yeah.
It's okay. Now, as of now, we have only two names, A and B. What happens if I have n number of names? For n number of thousands, Assume that we have thousands number of data. For thousands data cells, you are writing same formula again and again is equals to sum, open parenthesis, selects data, close, enter. Don't you think we are repeating the same task?
Yes, ma'am.
For that, what to do? See here. 30. Okay, 60. Okay, I'll take one more student D. 22. 44. I'll take one more student E. 44. 55. Here I'm used the same formula, right? Is equal to sum. You are getting one plus mark symbol, right? Observe, plus mark, right? What I do, I just drag and drop. See here, automatically it is going to calculate a sum. No need to repeat the task again and again. Getting? Okay, I'll teach on conditional formatting also. I'll give coloring. You can give coloring. Next cells, I'm going to highlight more than 50. Okay, look here. 50 with a yellow dark blue. See, it is going to highlight more than 50 with a yellow color, right? Easily we can track the student, below average student. Now tell me, now I want to track below 30 students. Tell me how to check with this coloring. I'll give 30. Oh my god, sorry. 2. 4. There are 2 students, 34 and 4, right? A and B. Yes, how to target these 2 students using conditional formatting. Click on this conditional formatting. Lesser than 35, right? Lesser than 35. I'm going to fill it with a green. Let me go. Okay. Sorry. I select this cells. I'll go with green, blue. See? Right. This is the use of conditional formatting. To delete a cell, you can delete a cells. Entire row, entire column. Now I want to delete this, clear this entire cell. Clear all. Select and clear all. So it is going to clear. Select this data. Sorry. Select this data and click on clear all. See, everything is going to clear. Right. Next, any queries in Word, PowerPoint? Yes, Kulsum.
Ma'am, how can Excel help in banking, business, or accounting?
How can Excel
Help in banking, business, or accounting?
see? To be frank, the Excel, it's not much secure. It's not secure Excel. There is a limited number of data to store.
Okay.
Okay, it's a limited version. cannot store two datas. They are using different application. Banking are using a different applications. They are not using the Excel.
Okay, ma'am.
There is a limitation to store a data.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Mm. Any queries on Word file? Hmm? Any queries on Word, Word file? Now tell me how to insert picture. Yes. I explain you all these ribbons, right? Home, insert, design, layout, reference, mailings. Yes, tell me how to insert picture in Word document. Which ribbon I have to select? Insert, right?
Yeah, in
Insert
insert.
picture option. This device, gallery. Then click on insert. Right. Next, I'll write something. Okay. Hi. Hi. Tell me how to give numbering. Hmm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How to add numbers? Here you have option right. See here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 options. Right. Are you able to follow? Then how to give spacing here? What is indentation? How to give? Now I want to arrange this data exactly to center. How to give? How to select all? How to select complete document? Control?
Control A.
Yes, good. Control A. How to give indentation? Here. Exactly center. Move to exactly center, right? See here. Right, left, center, justification, alignment. Getting? Then how to give spacing? How to add spacing? Here. Spacing. Right. Hmm? Spacing. Next. Okay. You know, sorting. What is meaning of sorting? Arranging, right? Sorting means arranging. Here, I'll sort from A. See here, analysis is down right. Look here. Based on alphabets, it's going to start. Sorting is means arranging. Okay. First A. Now I'll give one more word as Z. See. It is in descending. Arranging a content in ascending or descending order. See. ZZ, Word, Google, Excel, analysis. Now tell me, um, I have to replace this Google with GL. How to replace Google with GL? Tell me how to replace Google with GL. Yes. Select here. Here have option called replace. I'm going to replace a Google, right? Google with GY. Replace all. Sorry, it's in uppercase. Okay, sorry. J is in uppercase. Oh, spelling mistake. Sorry. Google with replace all. Upsa here. It's done right. Now tell me how to replace Excel with Power BI. How to replace Excel with Power BI? Yes, tell me how to replace this Excel with Power BI. Select option, replace, same. Excel with Power BI. Replace all. Up so here. Excel is going to replace with a Power BI, right? Any queries in home tab, insert tab? Now tell me how to add page numbers. Here is an option, right? Top of a page or bottom of a page. Observe here, page 1. Insert, how to add one more sheet. There are so many templates here. Any queries? Any queries in Word, Power
Ma'am,
BI?
how to put borders, ma'am?
Sorry?
How to put borders?
Borders, okay. Here you are an option. You can select your option. Okay. Next, any queries? Any queries?
ये बस है बिल है
Any queries?
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, when to use VLOOKUP and XLOOKUP?
It's a different thing. Vertically, when you are analyzing data vertically, we are using VLOOKUP. When you
Okay.
are analyzing the data horizontally, HLOOKUP.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Analysis is based on analysis. When you are doing analysis based on vertically, go for VLOOKUP. Horizontally, HLOOKUP.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Yes. That's it. No queries. Yes, I've discussed how to convert the text also, right? English to Kannada language settings. Remember? Here, I'll type something. Here, translator. It's also there to translate from. Oh, I'll take meaningful data. Hi, how are you? See, I'll use translator Kannada. See, it's going to translate, right? Translator. That's it. No queries. Yes, any queries? Yes.
Hello.
Yes, yes.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Ma'am, in Excel, how to use in a filter?
How to use filter?
Uh,
Okay. See.
and what are the uses of filter?
Yes. I'll take some data. Hi. Uh, just a second. Yes, sorry. What is use of filter, right?
Yes, ma'am.
It's the Excel. It is used to check only the specific records. It is used to search for in specific records. Here you will get sort and filters
Okay, ma'am.
to check the particular content, specific condition. And it used to display only the specific data. Filter command
Yes,
is
ma'am.
used to display only a specific data.
Yes, ma'am.
It's going to filter on your getting sort filtering. Like, here.
One more doubt, ma'am.
Drop down options also. Yes, please.
Ma'am, what are the difference between count and count blank?
Count blanca. Count and count if, I think so. Count blanca.
Okay, count and count if.
Count and count if.
Okay,
It is count is okay, let me take now I want to count all the data. Okay, let me take 10, 20, 1 to 10. Okay, I have a data from 1 to 10. Now I want to count all the data. See here, 1, 2, 3. What is the number of data present here? 3 is equals to count and select the data. Count if.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
I want to select some based on condition. Now I want to select data which is greater than 4, greater than 2. 3 is greater than 2. At that time, I'm going to use a count if. Count is going to calculate the number of data. Count if based on the condition you are going to calculate.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Are there any queries on how to create Google form? How to view Google form? Any queries? Any queries? How to open Google form, how to create and how to check the responses. Clear how to create Google form, how to check responses.
I presume it is clear. Maybe, either full clear or full doubts.
Hello, good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes, Rian, you may ask your doubts.
Yes, ma'am. Like, what are the most common mistakes people make while designing a Google form?
Sorry.
Ma'am, like what are the most common mistakes people make while designing a Google form?
Okay. Let us check. Okay. Google form. What is the main thing we are collecting from a user? First, we have to collect a username, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Username, user email ID, user phone number, and some people will forget to use this required button. Some people forgot, right? See, you understand what is use of required button. If you are not using this required button, even though I'm not, look here, I'll take one name, okay? This is my Google form. I'm not using this required button. Already created one Google form and shared this to the user. If user is not going to enter the name also, we are receiving a response. We are not receiving a name. Then what is the use?
Yes, ma'am. Got it.
This is unrequired button. Then how to check responses? Any queries and how to check responses? The required button is very important. Sometimes we'll forget using this required button.
Okay, thank
Then
you.
how to publish any query?
Ma'am, one more question.
Yes.
Ma'am, which is the advanced Excel function should every commerce student master before the graduation to improve their placement opportunities?
Which is advanced formulas.
Excel functions.
Complete Excel. There is everything is important in Excel. Complete Excel is important. Everything is important.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, Purnima, you may ask your doubts. This is the last doubt before we wind up the session. Purnima, you may ask your doubts.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, in Excel, how we use and or not?
What?
In Excel, how we use.
redo. Right. Same. Control Z.
No, ma'am. And or not. I mean and.
And operation and or operation.
Yes, ma'am, and also not.
And operation. I'll tell you what is the difference between and or operation. When both the condition are true, the result will be true. And or operation, any one condition is true, the result will be true. It has to satisfy the both condition and operation. Both the input should true. True. Or operation, any one condition should be true.
Okay. Okay. Ma'am, one more doubt, ma'am.
Yes.
Then how we use sorting, ma'am?
Sorting means it's arranging in ascending or descending. It's depend on you how to sort.
Okay, ma'am.
How to sort this? It depends on you.
Okay, ma'am.
In ascending or descending, arranging the things in ascending or descending. Here,
Okay.
sorting option.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Smallest to largest or largest to smallest. Look here, 1, 2, 3, 2. Like arranging the things in ascending or descending order.
Ma'am, then X loop, ma'am. X lookup. X lookup.
When you are when you are doing analysis horizontally, H lookup. When you are doing analysis on vertically, V lookup.
Not, ma'am. X lookup. X lookup. It's mean X.
X lookup is it's a different formula.
How we use it, ma'am?
You have to add the data and you're writing a formulas on that.
Okay, ma'am.
Based on the thing you are going to X lookup. That's a different thing.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. For that
Okay,
lookups,
thank
we
you,
need
Purnima.
data. Yes, ma'am.
Shall we wind up?
Yes, ma'am.
As we come to the end of today's wonderful session, it is my privilege to propose the vote of thanks for today. Now, before I begin, I must really share a small smile with everyone. Normally, we introduce our resource person before the session begins. Today, Madam was so enthusiastic to share her knowledge with us, with all of us, that she started the session immediately. So we missed the very, formal introduction part. But certainly we did not miss the opportunity to learn from her. So it's now my pleasure to formally introduce and then also, thank our resource person for today's session, that is Ms. Varshita C. She's an MCA postgraduate and assistant professor at CB Bandari Jain College. And Madam, I really thank you for delivering such an informative and practical session on digital productivity skills and your demonstrations, guidance on Gmail, then sheets, and then the Excel sheets, and then cloud storage, file management, and the collaboration part. All these things must have really enhanced our students' digital competencies. So on behalf of, our respected principal, Dr. Ejaz Ahmad Khan, I express my sincere gratitude for his constant encouragement and support in organizing this certificate course. I also extend my heartfelt thanks to our HOD of Commerce, Srimati Ambujachi ma'am, and HOD of Management, Dr. Shobhasi, and the entire IQSC team of students, that is student Chiranjeevi and then Vijay, for their constant support to successful completion of this program. My special appreciation goes to all our students. Thank you very much for your active participation and enthusiasm throughout this session. And your participation itself is the main success, the Moola mantra for the success of any program. Now, before we conclude, I request all the students to kindly complete today's attendance form. 1, 2 is over. Third one I will share after this session, and then the feedback form for today's session. Students who regularly attend the live session and submit all the required Google Forms will receive the assignments and worksheets in your email. So once again, I thank Madam and thank you everyone for being part of today's wonderful journey. Have a wonderful day. And then in spite of being Sunday, Madam has also accepted to deliver a lecture, and then students are also participating. So I really appreciate all of your time, and may this learning continue forever. So thank you all once again. Have a nice Sunday. I will see you all tomorrow. Thank you once again. Bye bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye bye.
You look so pretty.
They watch as I fall on my face. Yeah, they thinking that's all that it takes. Yeah, they going, he's out of the race. Yeah, they counting me out, but wait.